Notice you're not as strong as you used to be? Maybe getting up from a chair feels a little harder, or carrying groceries takes more effort. It's a common feeling after 60. But what if I told you that staying strong doesn't require expensive protein powders, a cabinet full of supplements, or grueling gym workouts? Today, I'm going to share some simple, everyday foods that naturally support your strength. As we age, our muscles naturally change. It's a normal part of life. This doesn't mean your strength has to disappear, but it does mean that the food choices you make now matter more than they did at 30 or 40. Strength after 60 isn't about building huge muscles like a bodybuilder. It's about practical, real-world strength. It's about being able to stand up steadily from your favorite chair, walk confidently without fear of stumbling, and maintain your independence for as long as possible. And believe it or not, that journey starts right in your kitchen. So let's talk about some incredibly simple foods that support your natural strength in a calm, realistic way. First up, a true classic: eggs. Eggs are one of the easiest and most powerful strength-supporting foods you can find. They're packed with high-quality protein, which is the building block for your muscles. They also contain other important nutrients that help your muscles function properly. See, after 60, your body doesn't use protein quite as efficiently as it did when you were younger. That means the quality of the protein you eat becomes much more important. A simple breakfast with 1 or 2 eggs can help your body maintain muscle throughout the day. No powders, no complicated recipes, just real, honest-to-goodness food. Next, let's talk about fatty fish like salmon. Fatty fish are a fantastic 2-for-1 deal. They provide both high-quality protein for muscle maintenance and healthy omega-3 fats. These fats are amazing for supporting joint comfort and reducing inflammation, which can make a huge difference in how you feel day to day. If salmon isn't your favorite, don't worry. Other options like tuna, mackerel, or even canned sardines work just as well. Just aiming for about 2 servings per week can make a noticeable difference. And you can keep it simple. A baked or grilled fillet is all it takes. No need for fancy sauces or complicated cooking methods. Now, for those who prefer plant-based options or just want to mix things up, let's talk about beans and lentils. These are nutritional powerhouses. They offer a great combination of protein to support your muscles and fiber to keep you full and your digestive system happy. But they also provide something crucial: steady energy. Strength isn't just about muscle size. It's also about not feeling drained and tired halfway through the day. The complex carbohydrates in beans and lentils provide stable, long-lasting energy, preventing those energy crashes that make you feel weak. You can easily add them to soups, sprinkle them on salads, or mix them with some simple rice for a complete meal. Let's not forget the greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with minerals that play a quiet but vital role in your strength. Nutrients like magnesium and potassium are essential for muscle contraction, energy levels, and even recovery after you've been active. As we get older, it's common to eat fewer vegetables. But these minerals are so important for helping your muscles work correctly. Just adding a handful of greens to your meals each day, whether in a salad, a smoothie, or wilted into a soup can give your body the tools it needs to support your overall strength. Another easy and delicious option is Greek yogurt. What makes Greek yogurt special is that it typically contains double the protein of regular yogurt. This makes it a fantastic choice for supporting muscle maintenance. It's also very easy to digest for many older adults and incredibly versatile. You can have it for breakfast with some berries, enjoy it as a light and filling snack in the afternoon, or even use it as a healthy substitute for sour cream. Once again, the key here is simplicity and quality. It's a quick and effortless way to boost your protein intake. Finally, let's talk about energy. Your muscles need fuel to work, and that's where foods like sweet potatoes come in. Sweet potatoes provide slow digesting carbohydrates. Unlike sugary snacks that give you a quick spike and then a crash, these carbs provide a steady, reliable stream of fuel for your body and muscles. When your energy levels are stable, you feel stronger and more capable. Think of it this way: balanced meals support balanced strength. A plate with some lean protein, healthy carbs like a sweet potato, and some colorful vegetables is a perfect recipe for sustained energy and strength. Now, this is a very important reminder. No single food is a magic bullet that creates strength overnight. True, lasting strength after 60 comes from a combination of things. It comes from small, consistent daily habits. It comes from nourishing your body consistently with good food. And it comes from gentle, regular movement. Food gives your body the raw materials it needs, but movement is the signal that tells your muscles to stay active and strong. You don't need to push yourself to extremes. A daily walk, some simple stretches, or light gardening can be incredibly effective. So what does all of this mean for you personally? If you've been feeling weaker than you used to, please don't panic or get discouraged. It's a signal to take a look at your daily habits. Start by asking yourself a few simple questions. Am I eating enough quality protein throughout the day? Are my meals balanced, with a mix of protein, healthy carbs, and vegetables? Am I relying too much on processed convenience foods that might be low in nutrients? Often, making a few simple adjustments at the grocery store can make a much bigger impact than buying expensive supplements. Your strength journey after 60 is not about doing more. It's about doing the simple things consistently and with intention. It's about choosing real foods that nourish your body and support your independence. It's about honoring the amazing body that has carried you this far. If this video helped you think differently about your food and your strength, please give it a like. And if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe and be sure to click that notification bell so you never miss our next video from ThriveFitUSA. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to your strength.